ॐ वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। गुरवे सर्वलोकानां भिषजे भवरोगिणां निधये सर्वविद्यानां दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणम् सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। श्रुतिस्मृतिपुराणानाम् आलयं करुणालयम् नमामि भगवत्पादं शङ्करं लोकशङ्करम्। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणम् तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। नत्वा श्रीभारती तीर्थविद्यारण्यमुनीश्वरो
नत्वा श्रीभारती
भारती तीर्थ
विद्यारण्यमुनीश्वरो
अधीमहे पञ्चदशीं कैवल्यपदसिद्धये
धीमहि
विद्महे
पञ्चदशीं
पञ्चदशीं
कैवल्यपदसिद्धये
कैवल्यपदसिद्धये।
पंचकोश विवेक प्रकरणम 31 श्लोक नंबर। सर्वबाधेन किञ्चिच्चेद्यन्न किञ्चित् तदेव तत्
सर्वबाधेन किञ्चित् चेत् न
यन्न किञ्चित् तदेव तत्
भाषायेवात्र विद्यन्ते निर्बाधं तावदस्ति हि।
भाषा एवात्र भिद्यते निर्बाधं
निर्बाधं
तावदस्ति हि।
अत एव श्रुतिर्बाध्यं बाधित्वा शेषयत्यदः
अत
एव श्रुतिर्बाध्यं बाधित्वा शेषयत्यदः।
स एष नेति नेत्यात्मा अथ व्यावृत्तिरूपतः।
स एष
एष नेति नेत्यात्मा
इत्यद्व्यावृत्तिरूपतः
वृत्तिरूपतः
इत्यर्थः
इत्यत्र।
इदं रूपं तु यद्यावत् तत्यक्तुं शक्यतेऽखिलम्।
इदं
इदं
रूपं
रूपं
तु यद्यावत् तत्तत्
त्यक्तुं
त्यक्तुं
शक्यते
शक्यते किलम्।
अशक्यो ह्यनिदं रूपः स आत्मा बाधवर्जितः।
शक्यो
रूपं
ह्यनिदं
रूपस्य आत्मा
रूपस्तात्मानवज्जित
बाधवर्जितः।
सिद्धं ब्रह्मणि सत्यत्वं ज्ञानत्वं तु पुरेरितम्।
सिद्धं
ब्रह्मणि
ब्रह्मणि
सत्यत्वं
सत्यत्वं
ज्ञानत्वं
ज्ञानत्वं
तु
तु
पुरेरितम्।
पुरेरितम्।
स्वयमेवानुभूतित्वादित्य भूतित्वा इत्यादिवचनैः स्फुटम्।
स्वयमेव
स्वयमेवानुभूतित्वादित्यनैः
तेत्वादित्यादिवचनैः स्फुटम्।
स्फुटम्।
अत्र एक 33 सर्वबाधे सर्वबाधे इति सति सप्तमी सर्वबाधे न किंचित सर्वबाधे न तु तृतीया सर्वस्य सर्वस्य बाधः सर्वबाधः सर्वबाधे सर्वस्यापि निषेधे कृते किंचित न अवशिष्यते। यत् किंचित न अवशिष्यते तदेव तत् किंचित न अवशिष्यते शून्यमेव अवशिष्यते तदेव तत्। अत्र भाषा एव भिद्यन्ते अत्र भाषा एव भेदं प्राप्नुवन्ति। निर्बाधं बाधरहितं साक्षि चैतन्यम् अस्ति एव हि अस्ति एव निश्चयेन अस्ति एव इति सर्वबाध इति सति सप्तमी। We saw this shloka. When everything is negated, there is nothing. Nothing alone is obtained. The nothing is what is we call Atma Sakshi Chaitanyam. It is called Shunyam by Buddha, Buddhist. अतः एव अतः एव श्रुतिः बाध्यं बाधित्वा अधः शेषयति। बाध्यं बाधित्वा अधः शेषयति नेति नेति इति प्रक्रियया आत्म भिन्नं सर्वं वस्तु बाध्यते। आत्मा बाधितुम् अशक्यः आत्मा। अतः श्रुतिः न इति नेति नेति इति अतद्व्यावृत्तिरूपेण अनात्मनिषेधरूपेण बाध्यं बाधित्वा अधः पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं दट् इस् वस्तु आत्मवस्तु एव शेषयति अवशेषयति इति श्रुतिः वदति। इदं रूपं यत् यावत् तत् सर्वं त्यक्तुं शक्यते। इदम् इति शब्देन जगत् जगतः जगत् लक्ष्यते। इदम् इति शब्देन अनात्म लक्षणं करोति इदं शब्दः। यत् दृश्यं तत् इदं शरीरं दृश्यते अतः शरीरम् इदं मनः अपि दृश्यते तदपि इदम् एव सर्वं जगत् अखिलं जगत् दृश्यते इदम् एव अतः त्यक्तुं शक्यते। किन्तु यत् प्रत्यक् स्वरूपं हनिदं रूपम् आत्मा सः बाधवर्जितः तस्य हनिदं रूपः आत्म निषेधः अशक्यः। अतः आत्मनः आत्मबाधः अशक्यम् अनात्मबाधः शक्यम्। अनात्मा एव इदम् इति शब्देन अभिहितं भवति। बाधवर्जितः आत्मा अनिदम् स्वरूपं प्रत्यक् रूपं स्वरूपम् आत्मा इति। अतः साक्षिभूतः आत्मा बाधवर्जितः इति उक्त्वा अन्ते चतुष् चतुष् चतुश्चिंततम श्लोके आचार्येण उक्तम्। अतः ब्रह्मणि सिद्धं भवति। किं सिद्धं भवति? ब्रह्मणः सत्यत्वं, सत्यत्वेन सिद्धं भवति, बाधराहित्यं। ज्ञानत्वं तु पुरा ईरितं, पुरा एव उक्तं, पुरा एव ईरितमिति उक्तं। कुत्र स्वयमेवानुभूतित्वात् इत्यादिवचनैः अस्मिन् पञ्चकोशविवेकप्रकरणे एव पूर्वम् उक्तं। स्वयमेव अनुभूतित्वात्, अनुभूति इत्युक्ते ज्ञानमेव अनुभूतिः, ज्ञानमेव अनुभूतिः इति। ज्ञानम् अनुभूतिः, अपरोक्षानुभूतिः, तदेव ज्ञानं। स्वयमेव अनुभूतित्वात् न अनुभाव्यता इति पूर्वम् उक्तम्। अतः सत्यत्वं, ज्ञानत्वं, सत्यं ज्ञानम् अनन्तं ब्रह्म इति श्रुति श्रुतिः कथयति, तैत्तिरीयश्रुतिः। तत्र सत्यत्वम् ईरितं, ज्ञानत्वमपि पुरा ईरितं। पूर्वतरश्लोकेन ईरितम् उक्तं, निरूपितं भवति। अतः किम् अवशिष्यते? अनन्तत्वम्, आनन्त्यम्, आनन्त्यम्, अनन्तस्य भावः अनन्त्यम्। तदेव अग्रिमश्लोके आचार्यः उक्तवान्। पञ्चत्रिंशत्तम श्लोकात् आरभ्य आत्मनः ब्रह्मणः अनन्त्यम्, अनन्तत्वम् उक्तम्। Now let us read sloka number 35 from here onwards. अनन्तत्वम्, अनन्त्यं, सत्यं ज्ञानम् अनन्तम् इति ब्रह्मलक्षणे पूर्वं सत्यत्वं ज्ञानत्वम् उक्तम्। इदानीम् अनन्तत्वम्, अनन्त्यम्। Let us read 35. न व्यापित्वा देशतोऽन्तो नित्यत्वानापि कालतः
न व्यापिन
व्यापित्वा
देशतो
देशतो
नित्यत्वं
नित्यत्वान्नापि
विकालतः
कालतः
न वस्तुतोऽपि सार्वज्ञादानन्त्यं ब्रह्मणि त्रिधा
न
न
वस्तुतोऽपि
वस्तुतोऽपि
सर्वात्म्याम्
सर्वाज्ञानन्त्यं ब्रह्मणि त्रिधा।
अनन्त्यम्
आत्मा अबाध्य सत्यत्वमिति युक्ते बाधरागित्यम्। अतः आत्मा सत्यम्। Shruti equates Atma and Brahma. When Atma is established as Abhadya, then Brahmani Satyatvam is Siddham Eva, because Atma is Brahma. Atma being Abhadya, Badaragitam, Satyam iti Badaragityam. Therefore, Atma is Satyam Eva, iti Purvam Muktam. Now, then Jnanatvam also Puragiritam. Swayameva Anubhutitvat, ityadi vachanahi. So, now, the author points out, Anantyam. How does he say? Anantyam. न विद्यते अन्तः यस्य इति अनन्तः, अनन्तस्य भावः आनन्त्यम्। व्यापित्वात्, व्यापकत्वात्, व्यापित्वात् इति व्यापकत्वात्, व्यापकत्वात्, ऑल परवेडिंग, व्यापकत्वात् देशतः न अन्तः, व्यापित्वात् देशतोऽन्तो, देशतः अन्तः न, अन्तः इत्युक्ते परिच्छेदः, परिच्छेदत्वम्, परिच्छेदत्वम्, लिमिटेशन. There is no limitation. सो अनन्तः इति नञ्च बहुव्रीहि समास न अन्तः विद्यते अन्तः न विद्यते इति अनन्तः अंतत्वम is only for that which is subject to limitation. Paricheda is of three types. देशतः परिच्छेदः कालतः परिच्छेदः वस्तुतः परिच्छेदः अथवा गुणतः परिच्छेदः इति देशतः परिच्छेदः टाइम स्पेस वाइज लिमिटेशन कालतः परिच्छेदः टाइम वाइज वस्तुतः अथवा गुणतः ऑब्जेक्ट वाइज three types of limitations are there यथा घटः अस्ति a pot is there कुत्र अस्ति कस्मिंश्चित् देशे अस्ति घटः वर्तते तत्र एव वर्तते अन्यत्र नास्ति घटः अतः देशतः परिच्छिन्नः घटः घटः इदानीम् अस्ति पश्चात् नास्ति घटस्य उत्पत्तिः अस्ति नाशः अपि वर्तते एव अतः कालतः अपि परिच्छेदः घटः अस्ति पटः अस्ति पटे घटः नास्ति घटत्वं नास्ति अतः पटः घटात् भिन्नः अतः वस्तुतः अपि परिच्छिन्नः देश काल वस्तु परिच्छिन्नः घटः तद्वत् एव सर्वाणि वस्तूनि जगति यानि वस्तूनि वर्तन्ते सर्वाणि वस्तूनि तद्वत् एव परिच्छिन्नत्वानि परिच्छिन्नानि all the objects have these three types of limitations किन्तु ब्रह्मणि त्रिविधः परिच्छेदः नास्ति ब्रह्मणि त्रिधा न these three types of limitations is not there in Brahma. Why? Vyapitvat. That is a hetu. Vyapitvat. Tasya bhavah tvatvalu. Vyapitvam tasmat iti. Vyapitvat. Vyapitvat परिच्छेदः अन्तः नास्ति देशतः अन्तः नास्ति it is sarvavyapi because it is sarvakaranam shastram reveals brahma as jagat karanam sarvakaranatvat sarvavyapi so if we have seen before adhyaropa apavada prakriya in adhyaropa apavada prakriya presenting brahma as karanam and analyzes the karya jagat the karya karanatva that analysis is that jagat is the karya brahma is the karanam after the analysis it is discovered that there is no karyam at all there is no jagat kutra asti jagat when jagat is not there then brahma is also not karanam the karanatvam also gone so therefore brahma is sarva karanam in adhyaropa apavada prakriya brahma is sarva karanam that is only from the standpoint of this adhyaropa from the standpoint of jagat therefore sarva karanam but brahma alone is there nothing else is there to say that vyapitvat so vyapanam is like you may think vyapakatvam like akasha pervades everywhere like that brahma pervades everywhere no what is there is only brahma eva nothing else akasha is closest example आकाशवत् सर्वगतश्च नित्यः इति श्रुतिः दर्शयति आत्मनः ब्रह्मणः व्यापकत्वम् आकाशवत् सर्वगतश्च नित्यः इति किन्तु आकाशस्यापि कारणत्वात् Brahmanaha antaha parichedaha nasti. Because that alone is only the word vyap, the word is used because there is some satyatvam is attributed to Jagat. Therefore, vyapitva aditi. When Brahma alone is there, then there is vyapakatvam for Brahma. From the standpoint of the Jagat, it is said vyapitvat deshataha antaha na vidyate. It pervades the entire Jagat. Entire Jagat is entire Jagat, not just world. Everything that is pervaded by Brahma. Tadeva asti. Object is, prapancha is, Jagat is, the is Brahma. It continues to be is, that is can never go. When an object is destroyed, that is not there also is there. That continues to be there. Therefore, deshataha, vyapakatva, brahmanaha, deshataha, antaha, nasti. Brahmana parichinnam bhavati deshataha. This is one. Then nityatvat. Nityatvat. Brahma is nityam. So nityatvat kalatah api na parichinnam bhavati. Purvam asit. Vartamane asti. Bhavishyati api bhavishyati eva bhavati eva. Atah kalatah अपरिच्छिन्नः नित्यत्वात् नित्यत्वात् न परिच्छिन्नं भवति ब्रह्म ब्रह्म is nityam, so therefore there is no time is also created it is mithya. Time is, that is also pervaded by Brahma eva. So time cannot limit because it itself is a product. Time comes when space is created. Tasmad etasmat atmanah akashah sambhutah. When akasha is born, then only space, along with space, the time is born. But it has come from Brahma. Therefore, nityam it is. Nityam sarvagatam susukshmam vidbhutayonim paripashyanti dhiraha. Mundake api drishtam eva. Then vastutaha api. Not in terms of objects. In terms of objects also, Brahma is not subject to limitation. How do you say that? How do you say it is not vyapakatvadantaha? That is fine. Trikala abhadyatvat nityatvat kalataha brahma aparichinnam. Fine. Then vastutaha, how do you say? Because sarvam vastu atmaswarupam eva. Therefore, sarvatmyat sarvatra vidyamanatvat sarvatmyat. It is also tadita. Sarvatmyat. It is the Atma of everything. Sarvatmyat. Therefore, Antyatvam nasti brahmani. Sarvasyapi surupam brahma eva. Ataha brahma vasutaha parichinnam. So, therefore, Brahma has no vastu paricheda also. Vasutaha api na parichedaha bhavati brahmanaha sarvatmyat. Therefore, Brahma is Anantaha. Therefore, three types of limitations are not there. We have all the three types of limitation. That is why we are Apurnaha. We think ourselves to be Apurnaha, considering the Upadhi, Shariramana Sangata, Upadhi. That is why there is Purushartha. Purushartha, Moksha Purushartha. You are unlimited, you are free, you are limitless, because you are that Brahma. Not knowing that, confining oneself to be the Shariramana Sangata Upadhi. That which is unlimited is considered to be limited. That is what avidya is. Therefore, now Brahma becomes a Purushartha. Brahma is, in the beginning, Brahma is something to be accomplished. But after study of Shastra Adhyayana Anantaram, Tad Brahma Ahamasmi iti, it is already accomplished. It is already accomplished. Therefore, Brahma becomes Jignasyam. Atato Brahma Jignasa. It is already accomplished. It is Praptasya Praptihi. Siddhasya Siddhi. Something to be known, not something to be reached or gained. So, therefore, Brahma is myself. It is the very subject. So, therefore, Brahma is Sarvavyapi. It is Nityam and it is Sarvatma. All these are established from the Shruti Vakya. Idam Sarvam Yat Ayam Atma iti. Everything is Atma. Ataha Evam Trividam Brahmani Trivida Siddhyati. Trividam Anantattam Siddhyati. Vastutaha api Sarvatmyat Anantyam. Anantyam is Anantasya Bhavaha Brahmani. The Trida, threefold in terms of three. Desha Kala Vastutaha, Deshataha Vastutaha Kalataha. Brahmani Anantyam Siddham Bhavati Eva. It is established by the Shruti Vakya. Satyam Jnanam Anantam Brahma iti. By Yukti also, Brahma can be proved limitless. By Yukti also. Shruti, then Yukti, then Anubhava. Shruti Yukti Anubhava iti. Shruti says, then Yukti, then Anubhava, then that is Jnanam. Now, Tikakara says, Nanu, Satyatva Jnanatva Yoho Atmani, Siddhatve, Api, Anantyam na ghatate Brahmani api, tasya asiddhehe iti ashankya, Brahmani tavat tat sadayati. Kaha Acharyaha, Vidyaranya Munihi. Satyatvam and Jnanatvam of Atma, Siddhatve Sati, when it is established. Anantyam Anantyam Nagatate, not there, Brahmani iti, if this is doubted. Tasya Siddhehe. When that is not established, therefore Brahma doesn't have Anantyam, it is limited, becomes limited. Therefore, the doubt may come. Therefore, Anantyatvam also Acharya establishes. Au na vyapitvat iti. Nityam vibhum sarvagatam susuksham akashavat sarvagatascha nityaha nityo nityanam chetanaschethananam idam sarvam idayam atma. So different shrutis are quoted. Nityam vibhum sarvagatam susukshmam yadbhutayoni paripashyanti dhiraha iti mundaka. Then nityo nityanam chetanaschethananam Kathopanishad. So then Akashavat Sarvagatascha Nityaha, which Shruti have to be checked. Similarly, other Sarvam with Ita Ayam Atma iti. Sarvam hi etad Brahma eva Brahma Vedam Sarvam ityadi Shrutishu. All these are Shruti Vakya. This Shruti Vyapitva Nityatva Sarvatmatvam. Sarvatmatva Pratipadanat. The status of being all pervasive and Nityaha, it's ever not bound by time, and Sarvatmatvam, Swarupam of everything, Pratipadanat, when it is revealed, when it is proved, when it is established. Therefore, Brahmanaha, Trividam, Apiya, Anantyam, Deshakala Vastu, Krita, Paricheda, Rakityam, Abhyupetavim Ityartaha. Therefore, Brahmani in Brahma, Paricheda Rakityam, the limitation in terms of Desha Kala Vastu not there should be known, should be Abhibhetavyam, should be accepted. Then the next shloka, let us read. Desha Kalanyavastu Nam Kalpitatvacha Mayaya
देशकालान्यवस्तूनां
कल्पितत्वाच्च मायया
न देशाधिकृतोऽन्तोऽस्ति ब्रह्मानन्त्यं स्फुटं ततः
देशाधिकृतोऽन्तोऽस्ति ब्रह्मानन्दः
ब्रह्मानन्दं तं ततः
So यत् श्रुतया निरूपितं ब्रह्मणि अनन्त्यं तदेव अस्मिन् श्लोके युक्त्या निरूपितः आचार्यः। पूर्वश्लोके निरूपितं ब्रह्मणः अनन्त्यम् अत्र युक्तितः युक्त्या प्रदर्शयति तदेव प्रदर्शयति। कथं देशकाल अन्यवस्तूनां कल्पितत्वाच्च कया मायया देशकाल अन्यवस्तूनां so these are the परिच्छेद कारणीभूत वस्तूनां देशतः परिच्छेदः कालतः परिच्छेदः वस्तुतः परिच्छेदः तथा देशकालान्यवस्तूनां देशकालान्यवस्तूनां कल्पितत्वाच्च इट इज मायया कल्पितत्वात् इति कारणात् मायया कल्पितत्वात् देशकालानि वस्तूनां न देशादि कृतः अन्तः अस्ति न अस्ति नास्ति therefore ब्रह्म इज ब्रह्मणः अनन्त्यम् इति अनन्त्यं स्फुटमेव ब्रह्मणि त्रिविधम् अनन्त्यं स्फुटमेव भवति स्पष्टमेव भवति इति स्पष्टमेव ब्रह्म is has got anantyam in terms of all the three. It is sputam. If desha kala vastu, if these are paramartika, then we can say brahmani paramartika parichedaha asti. But these are not paramartika. These are mayaya kalpitatvat. That's why mayaya kalpitatvat. The word is important. Mayaya kalpitatvat. Therefore, they are not paramartikani. Kani desha kala vastuni. The paricheda karanani. न तो पारमार्थिकानि मायया कल्पितानि ब्रह्मणि therefore since maya kalpitatvat therefore deshaधिकृतः अन्तः परिच्छेदः नास्ति ब्रह्मणि therefore brahma is paramarthika so पारमार्थिके ब्रह्मणि परिच्छेदः नास्ति परिच्छेद is कल्पितं परिच्छेद परिच्छेदनत्वम् on brahma is कल्पितं मायया कल्पितं Visishtadvaitins they say Brahma is the abode of all the virtues, abode of all the attributes. Ananta Kalyana Guna Nilayaha. Visishtadvaitin they say Brahma is Ananta Kalyana. Kalyana Gunaha is all the virtues. Yes, of course, we can say yes, that's fine. But what about the negative attributes? All the Kalyana Guna, Kalyana Guna Nilayaha Brahma, fine. What about the negative? Only Kalyana Guna is the attribute of Brahma. If Brahma is, suppose, is not the abode of the other attributes, other properties, other gunas, negative gunas, then Brahma becomes limited. Then Brahma becomes Vastutaha Parichedaha. So Vastutaha Parichedaha or Gunataha Parichedaha, whatever, they both are same. So Kalyana Guna Nileha, when we say, what about Akalyana Gunaha? What about the gunas which are not Kalyanam? Brahma is, if it's not abode of the other attributes, then Brahma becomes Parichinnam. Because it excludes those attributes. Therefore, it becomes limited. So therefore, when it becomes limited, then it is not Brahma. Therefore, we say Brahma is the abode of all the attributes. Because there is nothing other than Brahma. Vasutaha parichedatvam brahmani nasti. In fact, Brahma is a vastu, we say. Vasayati sarvam iti vastu. What is there is only that vastu Brahma. If we exclude something from Brahma, that limits Brahma. So therefore, according to us, Brahma is the abode of all the virtues as well as vices also. Ishvara has got all the attributes in complete measure. In complete measure. When Visishtadvaitin say Ananta Kalyana Guna Nilayaha, we say not only that, even the other attributes are. Then we may object. If Ishvara has got negative attributes, then how can we call Ishvara? We say all the attributes are Mithya. Positive attributes are also Mithya. With Kalyana Gunaha api Mithya. The other attributes, negative attributes are also Mithya. So therefore, Mithya attributes, therefore, if attributes are Mithya, then we can load Ishvara with any number of attitudes, any number of attributes. That will not touch Ishvara. But they don't understand what Mithya is. Therefore, only here the Tikakara says, Maya uses the word Maya. Maya ya kalpitatvat. It is Mithya. That division, that parichinnam which is kalpitam on Brahma, deshataha, kalataha, vasutaha. It is kalpitam. It is Mithya, projected. Deshakala vastu paricheda are all kalpitam, projected by Maya, superimposed by Maya. So therefore, deshasya, desharupa, parichedaha, kalarupa parichedaha, anya vastu, rupa parichedaha, all are kalpitam by Maya, superimposed by Maya. That is what we say Vyavaharika Satyam. It is another order of reality. Brahma is Paramarthika. Paramarthike Brahmani Trividam Parichedam Nasti. In Vyavaharika, that is another order of reality. There it is Kalpitam. It seems to be, Brahma seems to be limited, but it is Paramarthika Drishtya. It is Aparichinnam Eva. So Vyavaharika Satyam is different. Paramarthika Satyam is different. Vyavaharika Satyam, that is Mithya. In Vyavaharika there is Kalpitam. All the limitations Kalpitam by Maya. Therefore Mithya. Maya Kalpita Desha Kala Kalanat Vaichitra Chitri Kritam. Dakshinamurti Stotram Bhashya. Tara says, Maya Kalpitatvat Vyavaharika Satyatvam Brahm Asti. Desha is Mithya, Kala is Mithya, Vastu is Mithya. All are Kalpitam. Therefore, limitations caused by Desha Kala Vastu are Kalpitam. It will cause what limitations? Mithya limitations. It means no limitations. Limitations are Mithya limitations, means no limitations. Therefore, na deshadikritaha antaha asti paramartika brahmani. Because Brahma is paramartika satyam. Deshakala vastural vyavaharika satyam. Therefore, they cannot touch the paramartika satyam Brahma. They cannot cause any limitation to Brahma. Therefore, tataha Brahmanaha anantyam sputam eva. It is very clear Brahma is anantam. So therefore, Brahma with Maya Upadi becomes Sagunam Brahma. That is Vyavaharika. When Brahma is as it is, then it is Paramarthika, Nirgunam Brahma. Nirgunam Brahma, when it is looked at from the Vyavaharika perspective, here the Dhyaranamuni looks at from the Vyavaharika perspective, then Brahma is Vyavaharika and it is given the name Sagunam Brahma. The author in the next shloka, he wants to present that Sagunam Brahma. Before that, Let us read the Tika. Na kevalam shrutitaha tasil pratyaya. Not only by Shruti. The shrutitaha panchamyas tasil. It has a meaning of tritiya also. Though not by sutra. In many places. Even deshataha, vastutaha, kalataha, aparichinnam brahma when we say. What is deshataha? Tasil pratyaya. Panchamyas tasil. Tadita. It's away. Panchami artha eva bhavati. Deshatah, kalatah, vasutah, panchami. What panchami is that then? So if we have seen apadana karaka panchami, so it is not dhruvam apaye apadanam, not vitratanam bhayetuhu, na bhuvav prabhuvaha, or janikartuhu. All these will not fit in. So it is tritiya, it is panchami, eto panchami. But when we explain we explain with tritiya bhakti. Deshena aparichinnam brahma. Kalena aparichinnam Brahma. Vastuna aparichinnam Brahma. We give the meaning in through Tritiya Vibhakti. So that is fine, that is valid. Many places it is how it is. Maybe somewhere some Vartikam, something must be there. So this Tasal Pratyaya expresses the meaning of Tritiya also. Here also, na kevalam Shrutitaha. Na kevalam Shrutya. You can say Shrutitaha is equal to Shrutya. Or Shrutehe, Panchami. किंतु युक्तितः अपि अगेन तसल प्रत्यय अपि इति आह not only by shruti even by yukti also the trividam parichinnam brahmani nasti deshakale iti paricheda hetunam. What is the paricheda hetu is karanam karanibhutanam, the desha kala anya vastunam. These are the paricheda hetu, desha kala vastu. Tesham vastuna Mayaya kalpitatvacha, because they are superimposed by Maya on Brahma. Gandharva Nagara Dibihi. Gandharva Nagara is the Nagara which is in the space. It's imagination, not there. The clouds move and you see as though it appears Yarata or some Deva or some Nagara. The Gandharva Nagara Dibihi Gaganasya Eva. It is Mithya. It means Mithya. न देशादिभिः कृतः पारमार्थिक परिच्छेदः ब्रह्मणि संभवति. देशकाल वस्तुभिः कृतः परिच्छेदः ब्रह्मणि पारमार्थिकः परिच्छेदः. पारमार्थिक परिच्छेदः ब्रह्मणि न संभवति. That limitation which is absolute is cannot be possible in Brahma. Because deshakala vastu, they themselves are not paramarthika. Then how can there be पारमार्थिक परिच्छेद देशकाल वस्तुतः कृतः पारमार्थिक परिच्छेदः न संभवति, not possible. यतः therefore यस्मात् अतः अस्मात् therefore ब्रह्मणि अनन्त्यं तावत् व्यक्तमेव. तदेव तत् सत्यमात्मा ब्रह्मैव ब्रह्मात्मैवात्र हि एवं न विचिकित्स्याम् इति अयं सत्यमात्मा एव नरसिंहो देवः ब्रह्म भवति अयमात्मा ब्रह्म इत्यादिभिः श्रुतिभिः. Quoting from the Shruti, इत्यादिभिः श्रुतिभिः आत्मनः ब्रह्म अवेद प्रतिपादनात्. No difference between Brahma and Atma, that is revealed by the Shastram, therefore प्रतिपादनात् तस्य अनन्त्यं सिद्धम् एव इति तात्पर्यम्. ब्रह्मणः अनन्त्यम् इति सिद्धम् एव, that is the तात्पर्यम्, that is the teaching. तत्परस्य भावः तात्पर्यम्. Shrutiyas paraha, commitment in presenting that alone, that is the teaching. Tatparaha artaha. Tatparaha artaha tasya bhavaha tatparyam. Adding shenj pratyaya, tadita pratyaya, you get the word tatparyam. That is the teaching of the Shastram. Then, the next shloka, let us read. सत्यं ज्ञानमनन्तं यत् ब्रह्म तद्वस्तु तस्य तत् तद्वस्तु तस्य तत्
यं ज्ञानं
यं ज्ञानमत्
ज्ञानमनन्तं यत्
यत् ब्रह्म
ब्रह्म
तद्वस्तु
तद्वस्तु
तस्य
तस्य
तत्
तत्
ईश्वरत्वं च जीवत्वम् उपाधिद्वयकल्पितम्
ईश्वरस्य
ईश्वरत्वं च जीवत्वम्
कल्पितं
उपाधिकृतं
ब्रह्म इस् सत्यं ज्ञानम् अनन्तम् सत्यं ज्ञानम् अनन्तं ब्रह्म यो वेद निहितं गुहायां परमे व्योमन् गुहायां निहितम् आत्मा. So vastu laksham, brahma laksham, satyam jnanam, anantam brahma. So therefore, brahmani eva, therefore this satya vastuni, brahmani, this parichinna, this aparamartika, deshakala vastuni, aropitam bhavati, brahmani eva. This Achetana vastu, that anatma alone is subject to three types of limitations. And they are superimposed on Brahma. Brahma is Purnam, Aparichinnam. Therefore, Brahmani Aropitam. And Brahma, which is Sarvasyapi Swarupatvat. Therefore, Brahma is free from Parichinnam, which is free from limitation. That Parichedaha, which is created by Anatma, it is not in Brahma. Because Anatmanaha api Adaraha Brahma Adaram Brahma eva. Now the question comes here. Fine. If everything is Brahmas and Brahma is Satyajnanam Anantam Brahma, then where is this Ishvara and where is this I, Jiva? What about Jivatvam and Ishvara? Everything is Brahma, then what about Ishvara and what about Jiva? Ishvaratvam and Jivatvam, what about it? The author says, Yat Satyam Jnanam Anantam Tad Vastu Brahma. First line. Satyam Jnanam Anantam Yat. Yat Satyam Jnanam Anantam Tat Brahma. Tad Vastu Tasya Tat. Tad Vastu Eva. It is Siddham. Brahma is the ultimate truth. Tadeva Vastu. Vasayati Sarvamiti Vastu. That is the ultimate truth. Tasya Brahmanaha Ishvaratvam, Tasya Brahmanaha Jivatvam, Ishvaratvam to Jivatvam to Upadhikalpitam. That Brahma which is Jiva, that Brahma which is Ishvara, how can it be possible? If you ask. Ishvara and Jiva. Because what is there is only Brahma. Everything is Satyam Jnanam, Satyam Jnanam Anantam, Tadvastu, Brahma, Tadvastu, that is, which is a Vastu, Tasya, Tadvastu, Asti. Then Tasya is referring to the Brahmanaha, Ishvaratvam, Brahmanaha, Jivatvam. That Brahma is Jiva, that Brahma is Ishvara. How can that be possible? Tasya Ishvaratvam, Jivatvam, how is it possible? Brahmanaha, Ishvaratvam, Jivatvam. These are possible because they have Upadhi Dvaya Kalpitam. It is Kalpita by Upadhi. So Jiveshwarayoho, Jiva and Ishvara are Chetanatvat. Tatkrita Vastu Parichedaha. Vastu Parichedaha, Jiveshwarayoho Chetanatvat, Jiveshwarayoho Parichinnatvat. Therefore, Tatkrita Parichedaha Brahmani Bhavati iti Shanka Asti Chet. Jiva and Ishvara are Chetana and they are limited. Therefore, that limitation Brahmani also could be there if it is doubted. Then for that Samadhanam is Yata Satyam Jnanam Anantam Brahma Tadeva Ishvarayoho Jiveshwarayoho Swarupam. It means Tasya Brahmanaha Jivatvam Ishwaratvam Natu Vastavikam. It is Upadikam, Upadikrutam, Upadidvayakalpitam. That is why author says Upadidvayakalpitam. Born of Upadis, two types of Upadi. Born of two types of Upadhi. Jivatvam and Ishwaratvam, it is Loka Prasiddham. Therefore, both are Upadidvayena Kalpitam, Upadidvaya Kalpitam. It is born of Kalpita Upadhi. Kalpita Upadina, Kalpita Bhedaha, Jiveshwarayoho. Jivatvam Ishwaratam iti Kalpita Bhedaha. Brahmani Vartate. Brahma appears as Jiva. Due to what Upadhi? Avidya Upadhi, which is Kalpitam. Kalpitam is Mithya. It is not real, superimposed. It is due to Avidya. If Avidya is not there, then I cannot take myself to be limited. Avidya is there, therefore I becomes as though Apurnaha. This Avidya Upadhi is not the reality. Similarly, Ishvaraha, Sarvajnaha, all-knowing Ishvara. He has Upadhi. What Upadhi? Maya Upadhi. Without Maya Upadhi, there is no Sarvajnatvam, there was no Shakti, Sarvashaktimatvam. Ishvara cannot be all-knower and all-powerful. So the Ishvaratvam is due to Maya Upadhi, Jivatvam is due to Avidya Upadhi. Therefore, Upadidvaya Kalpitam, Jivatvam Ishvaratvam cha Brahmanaha, Upadhi Kalpitatvat, Upadhi Upadina Bhedaha Kalpitaha, Upadhi Kalpita Bhedaha, Upadina Kalpita Bhedaha. It is Mithya, not real, because Upadhi is Mithya. When Upadhi is Mithya, then Upadhi Kalpita Bhedaha, that is also Mithya only. So therefore, Upadhi Kalpitatvat, Upadina, Upadidvayena, Upadidvayam Kalpyate Brahmani, Jivaha Ishvaraha iti, Upadidvayam Kalpitam Bhavati Brahmani. So that is what here is said. Therefore, Ishvara becomes Saguram Brahma. Maya, Upadhi Sagita, Brahma is Ishvaraha. Avidya Upadhi Sagita, Brahma is Jivaha. Because Upadhi is Mithya, therefore it is subject to negation. Therefore, when Avidya and Maya Upadhi is negated. Ishvara is Brahma, Jiva is Brahma. That is why we say Jagat Karanam Brahma, Tatatvam Asi iti. With Upadhi, Ishvara is powerful, all-knowing. He has got Prakrishta Upadhi. Jiva has got Nikrishta Upadhi. Therefore, there is difference between the Upadhi. If Upadhi is real, if Upadhi is Paramarthika, then division also is real. Then Brahma becomes limited, and therefore we will have Ishvara and Jiva. They are also real, but it is not. Ishvaratvam is Kalpitam. Jivatvam also is Kalpitam. Kalpitatvat. Mithya. Ishvaratvam also. Ishvara is Mithya. Jivatvam, Ishvaratvam is Kalpitam. Kalpitatvat, Ishvara is Mithya, Jiva is also Mithya. That is why we say Sarva Kalyana Guna Nilayaha Ishvaraha, when you say. Not only that, all the gunas we can load Ishvara with all the gunas. These gunas will not touch Ishvara because Ishvara is Brahma. These gunas are Mithya. Same thing for Jiva also. Jiva, because of avidya, therefore takes himself to be a samsari. Therefore, samyak sarati samsare. That is why he suffers. So now the Upadhi is talked about. Then Upadhi becomes a topic that the author is going to discuss in the upcoming shlokas. Before that, let us read the Tika. Nanu jadasya jagataha. Jagat is jada. Brahmani aropitattvena. Brahmani aropitattvena jadasya jagataha. Adhyaropa apavada. So Brahmani aropitaha. This jagat. Aropitam, this jagat. ब्रह्मणः परिच्छेदकत्व अभावे अपि, because it is jara is anatma, jagat is mithya, therefore परिच्छेदकत्व अभावे अपि चैतन्ययोगो जीवेश्वर्योः. So we don't have problem with regard to anatma being superimposed on Brahma because it is anatma. But what about Chaitanya? Chaitanya Jiveshwarayoho tat asambhavat, because Jiva and Ishvara are Chaitana. Therefore, Parichedakatva abhava asambhavat. Tad asambhavat means Parichedakatva abhava asambhavat. Therefore, Tatkrita Parichedavattvena Anantyam Brahmanaha Anantyam na Sangacheta iti ashankya. This is doubted. Anantyatvam of Brahma is not tenable, na Sangacheta, because Jiva and Ishvara are Chetana. Therefore, Tatkrita Paricheda Asambhava, therefore Tatkrita Parichedavattvena, because of the limitation caused by it, Brahma may not be Anantaha iti. If the doubt arises, for that we say Tayoho api Aupadika Rupatvena Paramartikatva Abhavat na Tayoho api Vastava Paricheda Hetutvam iti abhiprayena aha. Tayoho Jiveshwarayoho api Aupadika Rupatvena, Jiva and Ishvara are Aupadika Rupatvam. With the Upadi only Jiva, Brahma becomes Jiva, Brahma becomes Ishvara. Therefore, doesn't enjoy Paramarthika status, Abhavat. Therefore, Tayoho, the real limitations, divisions, is not that they do not enjoy the status of real limitations. Vastava Paricheda Hetutvam Nasti Tayoho api Nasti na Tayoho iti abhiprayena aha Satyam iti. Yata Satyadi Brahma Adipadat Satyam Jnanam Anantam iti. Tadvastu Tadeva Paramarthikam Tasya Brahmanaha Yalloka Prasiddham Ishvaratvam Jivatvam Cha Tat Vakshyamanaha Upadidvayena. So Vakshyamanaha, by that Tikakara says the Upadi is going to be talked about. That is the next topic. Ishvara Upadi will be the first topic, and Jiva Upadi, therefore Vakshyamanaha Upadidvayena Kalpitam. Upadi Vakshyamanaha, that is Upadi Dvayam, Upadi is going to be talked about. So therefore, because of that, Loka Prasiddham, this Ishvaratvam and Jivatvam, which is Kalpitam on Brahma, Ataha Kalpitatvat eva, Jadavat, like a Jada, Jagat is Jada, which is Aropitam and Brahma. Similarly, Jiveshwaryoho api, Tat Parichedakatva Bhavaha iti Bhavaha. The division caused by Achetana is already proved. Division caused by Achetana cannot cause any real division in Brahma. Similarly, what about Chetana? That also. Therefore, Jiveshwarayoho api Tat Parichedakatva Abhavaha iti Bhavaha. Tat Parichedaka is Jiveshwara Parichedaka. Jiveshwarayoho, Chetanayoho, Parichedakatva, the status of being, this causing Parichedaka Etutva. Parichedakatvam otherwise. Abhava, because of the absence of the because of the absence of divider, separator, limiter, not there for Jiva and Ishvara. Therefore, Brahma is Anantaha eva, Anantyam, Brahma is Siddham eva. The Acharya says here. Then, the next shloka, I think we will read that in the next class. Om Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadhaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. हरिः ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। हरिः ओम। ಧನ್ಯವಾದः।
ಧನ್ಯವಾದः.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಶರಣ್ಜಿ.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಶರಣ್ಜಿ.